Hi guys, today I'm opening this with my grandma. Let's see if we get something good. I'll give you half. And
I wish you all the best, Kavya. I hope you get something good.
okay, I'll give you half. Okay, do you want to go first or should I?
Yeah, I'll show one first.
You have to show that first.
Is that?
No, I don't even know what that is.
Oh. Oh, man.
Oh, okay, Oscar Bob. That's good.
That's a good one?
Yeah.
Oh, thank God.
Oh, okay, this is good.
Okay, now let's see yours.
Some random. Another random.
How about that?
Another random.
Mm-hmm.
Another random.
Okay, so let's do one thing, like we'll open like a one that's not numbered bonus on it.
Okay.
So we got this from Walgreens, right?
Okay, don't expose your secrets.
Okay, sure.
CVS.
Yeah, you didn't hear that.
I'll give you 4 this time.
Are you excited, Kavya?
Oh yeah, I hope I get something good. I'll give you 4. I think that's 4. Should I go first? I'll go first this time.
Okay.
Oh, I got Portugal team.
Okay. Good.
Ronaldo is here.
Okay. Good job, good job. Okay, now me.
You have to show like the names.
Okay.
You can do it.
Yeah, maybe you can do it.
No, you can do it.
You have to tell me if this is a good one. Oh, that's a team.
Oh, it's a
Another
team.
team. Which team is it?
Colombia.
Colombia.
Okay, should we open another one or that's enough?
Let's see, like in the book. Let's show the book.
I don't really do that much. I only opened 2 packs. So
Yeah,
far.
but if you can show the book like this. So, yep.
You want to open another one?
Yes, let's go ahead and open one more. But we'll stop. This is the last packet we'll open today. So, we have gotten like some good ones in here, right? So far?
Yeah, I got the blue parallel, 2 of them, I think.
Okay, and
Yeah, I got the team stuff.
yeah, show that.
This I got for Brazil, Qatar, and New Zealand.
Okay, yep, show that. Okay. So we are getting there.
We're opening one more.
Okay. You feel lucky?
Yeah. Wait, hold on. Is that all of it? There's one more.
Okay, this time you can show all of that.
Okay.
It's okay.
Okay.
Ah,
We got Ivory Coast.
okay.
Another New Zealand.
Okay.
Bro.
Okay, so that's the second one. Maybe you can
Yeah.
trade that.
Okay.
Yeah.
This dude. This dude.
Okay, maybe just don't say do.
Like that. Wood. I don't know what that is.
Okay.
Sand. I don't know what that is. Ooh! Thoughts!
job.
good.
And that's like, the last card that we got. Great. Okay, let's smile there like before.